Unlock the secrets to turning your digital marketing skills into a cash-generating machine. Dive into 13 lucrative strategies that await you in this journey. Stay tuned! Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're diving into 13 strategies to monetize your digital marketing technical mastery. Stay with us till the end. The journey we're about to embark on is filled with lucrative insights you won't want to miss. First on our list is search engine optimization. SEO experts are in high demand. By mastering this technical skill, you can offer your services to businesses looking to improve their online visibility. Paid advertising is another lucrative area. Be it Google ads, Facebook ads, or Instagram promotions, businesses are always on the lookout for professionals who can create effective ad campaigns. Thirdly, social media management is a goldmine. From content creation to community management, businesses need experts to manage their social media presence. Content marketing is another area where you can earn big. If you're a skilled writer who understands the digital landscape, you can create meaningful content that drives traffic and conversions. Email marketing is another effective way to make money. From creating compelling newsletters to managing campaigns, businesses need savvy email marketers. Our sixth way is through affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on your website or social media channels and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Next, we have influencer marketing. If you have a sizable following on social media, you can monetize your influence by promoting brands and products. Enjoying the view? Make it last! Click subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and don't forget the bell. Your ticket to more great content. Ready for the next scene? Let's roll. E-commerce is booming and you can cash in on this trend. Provide e-commerce marketing services to businesses and help them increase their online sales. Web design and development is another avenue. With the right technical skills, you can create stunning websites that not only look good, but also perform well in terms of SEO and user experience. Digital marketing consultancy is a lucrative field. If you have a deep understanding of the digital marketing landscape, you can offer your expertise to businesses and help them improve their online strategies. Next, we have online PR. This involves managing a business's online reputation through customer reviews, social media interactions, and more. Our 12th way is through video marketing. If you're skilled at creating engaging videos, you can help businesses leverage this powerful medium. Last but not least, we have mobile marketing. With the majority of consumers using mobile devices, businesses need experts to optimize their mobile marketing strategies. These are just some ways you can turn your digital marketing technical mastery into a profitable venture. So equip yourself with the right skills and start monetizing your expertise today. Still watching? Then you're about to be rewarded. Unveil a free ebook showcasing the cream of the crop online business to kick off today. However, the journey doesn't stop there. After immersing yourself in the ebook, you're invited to embark on a challenging yet rewarding 15-day adventure, impeccably designed for this online conquest. With expert advisors, invaluable insights, and a treasure chest of tools, your path to online prominence is clear. Feel the urge to proceed? Don't waste another tick. Hit the link in the description stat and launch into a realm of online prosperity. As we power down today's tech talk, I'm scanning for your feedback. Booted up with the method I shared, still buffering? Input your comments below. For queries, just hit enter. I'm wired and ready to process. Your data drives our next upload. Energized by today's circuit? Electrify that like button. Need more tech volts? Subscribe and trigger the bell for uninterrupted power surges. Stay connected for each new release. Before you log off, notice that video icon? It's encoding another hack you'll want to decrypt. Click through. Let's continue navigating the digital universe together. Until the next signal.